What's up, members? Let's break down 3 stocks that I think you should be considering. Let's talk about Microsoft. That's the first one. Microsoft, you guys know I already have a pretty deep position on them, already down about 10%. I definitely think you should be considering these guys. Take a look at this. We have made nice bounces off of these lows, and what have we found? This 385 has broken. This is definitely very dangerous. What you want to do is pay attention to how this stock is going to react around $342 per share. We are getting closer to this level. It is something that I would be paying attention to. When you look at the 1-year RSI on Microsoft, you are down to 22. This is indicating oversold. Now, obviously, the cheap can continue to get cheaper, but you want to pay attention to this level. If we break down to $350 per share next week, I would pay attention to that. The second stock is Visa. Visa stock is a company that I always wanted to buy, but I didn't want to buy it up at $370 per share. Now that it is up here, it's sold all the way down to $295. We're down 21%. Looking at the 1 year, it is starting to get interesting. Your RSI is approaching that 30 mark right now. Visa is a company that makes a ton of money. It is very interesting to see what it is going to do. But previous levels here, we are going to wait until we hit at least, at a minimum, $250 per share. That is what I want with Visa stock. The third stock that I think is interesting is Oracle stock. Oracle stock pulled back to $344 all the way down to $139 per share, down 60%. We are waiting for this level around $120 per share. Definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you trading these stocks? Does this look like an opportunity to you? Lots of opportunities.